Director Venkat Prabhu hits and flops all movies list. Chennai super hit. Saroja hit. Goa hit. Gambler super hit. Biryani hit. Rakshasudu average. Chennai 2 hit. Kutti Story flop. Live telecast flop. Manadu blockbuster. Manmadalila hit. Victim hit. Custody average. The GOAT upcoming movie. Please comment your favorite movie. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.